In 2019, former WWL Louisiana investigator Mike Pearlstein brought you this story.
Take a close look at the accident about to unfold in this video.
In that accident, a car ran into an 18-wheeler on the Danziger Bridge. The people in the car tried to sue the trucking company, saying they were injured in the crash. They didn't know there was a camera on the truck's dashboard.
This truck's video captured two vehicles parked near the foot of the bridge. As the truck maneuvers past them, the vehicles roll in tandem.
When we took their depositions, everybody in that car denied that they had stopped on the bridge.
Once they saw the video, the passengers dropped the lawsuit. By the time we aired this story, attorneys in our area had been noticing a pattern for years. People were seemingly getting into accidents with 18-wheelers on purpose, then suing and getting big settlements. Weeks prior, 5 people were indicted on federal insurance fraud charges for exactly that. In the years after that, Mike Pearlstein would track dozens of similar cases. The same names popped up over and over, so did family members and neighbors. By 2023, more than 50 people had been indicted.
I don't want Louisiana to be the state that's identified as, oh, let's go practice fraud in that state.
Then, investigators turned their attention to the lawyers who were filing the claims. In 2024, the feds charged a long list of people in this scheme. Among them were 2 local injury attorneys, Vanessa Mata and Jason Giles. In 2026, they were convicted of fraud.
She's not been sentenced and she has a right to an appeal, so there's more steps to come.
Also named in that indictment was Sean Alfordish, a disbarred former attorney and Mata's fiance. He was accused of being the middleman in the scheme, arranging hundreds of staged crashes as early as 2011 on. He did not stand trial with Mata and Giles. Instead, he and another man, Chunky Parker, real name Leon, would face even more serious charges later in the year. Back in 2020, the investigation had taken a tragic turn. Cornelius Garrison was gunned down on his doorstep in Gentilly. He had been convicted of staging accidents himself. Then he turned around and agreed to cooperate with the FBI. Prosecutors say Alfordish hired Parker to kill Garrison. That brings us to now, in what could be the most intense case of this investigation yet. Alfordish and Parker are on trial in federal court, not just for fraud, but for murder. Rachel Handley, WWL Louisiana.